Howdy, hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Open Box Toy Review. Here today, we have a review on figure number 149, Dial Tone. I'm really happy I have this guy because I think it's cool. I think Dial Tone's cool, and most of my Joe figures I'm gonna have because, as I mentioned in one of my earlier reviews, I mostly collect Cobra. A large majority of my Joe figures, either they have to have had to have a significant um, significance in my life, or significance in the G.I. Joe movie. Like Kamakura and Jinx, they were in Valor vs. Venom as well as in G.I. Joe Sigma 6, and I loved those growing up. And also they're the pupils of Snake Eyes. Dial Tone here had a significance in the old movie from the 80s, that being creating the BET, which would create the whole plot of the movie, causing the movie to happen. But him and Mainframe, which may or may not be a review in the future, they created the BET, making the plot for the movie. Anyway, here's the figure. Here's the front of the box, him inside of his plasticky prison. G.I. Joe Dial Tone. 149. Star showing off he's a Joe. The side of the box with the figure. 149. Here's the back of the box. And yeah, Dial Tone's first appearance was in the show was the second season, I think. Yeah, the second season. No, first season. But yeah, let's get into the review, I guess. Here he is in his plasticky prison. Let's bust him out. Yes. Dial Tone. Oh, you can take off his hat. Okay. Can keep his hat on though, because I've never seen him without his hat. But yeah, here he is in his amazing Dial Tony glory and goriness. Yeah, whatever. Anywho, into the review. Here's the figure. The paint and sculpting is phenomenal. I'm really happy I have him. So yeah, now Dial Tone can look up that far and look down that far. Full 360 in the head. Arms can go around. His legs can do the splits. Can cook that far and back that. Ooh, that did not sound good. Yeah, that did not sound good. I'm not gonna push it. Yeah, I don't want to break the figure. Oopsies. But yeah, drop down leg. And I've already spun the spread. He has double bend in the knees. Okay. Double bend in the elbows. There we go. Let's see if the other elbow will bend. And it does perfectly. His patch on his arm. Bicep swivel. Oh, and he has sculpting on his neck that has for his earpiece right there. Okay. Now let's get into his accessories. Dial Tone comes with his backpack. Oh, where's the box? Where's Dial Tone's box? There it is. Okay, so yeah, it does go over his mouth. his trusty dusty knife. It's not coming off. Get off. Get off. Alright. Where is the knife? Oh, the knife goes right here. Okay. He comes with okay. Let's see what. Okay. Come on. Okay. Comes with the reason why his name is Dial Tone. A phone! And yeah, I know what dial tone is. It's like, no, that's dial. The dial tone, like for them old phones back in the 80s and 90s. Yeah, no. To any of my older viewers, because I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a few of you out there, because JoJo was you guys' thing. I know what dial tone is. The dial tone is the beep sound of a phone when before you call someone, like on one of those landline phones before the day of cell phones. Okay. And what's up? And yeah. The phone's expert dial tone. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. With all of that said and done, I hope you enjoyed this review of Dial Tone. With all of that said and done, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below what you'd like to see me do. And with all that said and done, I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a good time. And as always, see you in the next one. And yo, Joe. Bye.